All right, now to Bitcoin, soaring today despite a move from the SEC that could create trouble for the space down the road. Reports surfacing this week that regulators have issued subpoenas for a number of initial coin offerings looking into potential fraudulent activities. The investigation underscoring fears of a broader crackdown in that space. Now, ICOs were the hot new jam in crypto last year, but there's a new buzzword making the rounds in the Bitcoin universe: airdrops. So what exactly is that? For more, we need to bring in our Bitcoin baller, Brian Christopher Kelly, otherwise known as BK. 3 names because he has a pocket square. BK.
Yeah.
Works for Carter Braxton Work.
Thanks for having me, Scott. I watch you guys every day. It's a lot of fun. Let me talk to you about what the new word is. You know what it is? It's airdrop. What the heck is an airdrop? Well, we're going to talk about airdrop versus an ICO. Basically, an airdrop is like getting a free sample in the mail. So you own a certain token. All of a sudden, one day you wake up because of owning it, you get another token. So it's an add-on token. Why is it different from an ICO? In an ICO, you're getting an entirely new token and you're buying that token. So here in the airdrop, we get it for free. In the ICO, you got to pay for it. The airdrop is very similar to a dividend. So you already own a stock, you're getting a little bit more. You're getting US dollars, you're getting cash. You already own a currency in this case, you get another currency. It's like a dividend. ICO is much more like, it actually is, you're making an investment. So you're putting up money. It's a new position for you. That's what an ICO is. So let's just take a look at how this works. There's one coming up, and this is the next big one. This is happening March 5th. Ethereum Classic, symbols ETC and Callisto. That's the airdrop. So if you own ETC on March 5th, and it'll happen at some time on March 5th, it's based on when the blocks update. But for every ETC you own, you're going to get one CLO, which is Callisto. And Callisto's a new blockchain. They're going to do some testing on it and try to upgrade Ethereum Classic with it. But it could have value. If it gets on exchange, it could have value. And that's why people like it. So let's look at what's happening here with Ethereum Classic price. You can see it's been in a bit of an uptrend here, right? And we've seen that. This is everybody buying into Ethereum Classic to get the Callisto airdrop. So here you are. You own Ethereum Classic. You own 10 of those. You're going to get 10 CLL on March 5th. And that is the new hot thing called an airdrop.
Anybody have a question for BCK?
Sure, Beek. So let's think about this. When you're an equity investor and you get a dividend, some people like to invest it. They put it right back in the stock. What do you do with these airdrops? Are you going to put it back in, the cash back into the original? Do you hold on to them? Is there some sort of unique value to this airdrop and that you want to hold on to it?
Right. So there is actually a value, and it's another coin. It's almost like getting a stock dividend or a spin-off in another company type of thing. So, you might own IBM and they spin something off as a special dividend. You get that. So it's not like you get US dollars you can reinvest back in. And some of these airdrops, the better ones, the ones that are real projects, actually do have value and begin trading on exchanges.
You didn't like the BCK thing?
I like the BCK thing. No, it's very, very smart of you.
You like it?
Just like my suit.
Yeah,
Is that a suit?
square.
Do they make that for men?
It's a onesie.
Kidding.
All right, BK. BCK. We'll see you soon.